Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a fun little haul to share with you. This is my week 5 unboxing from the Scrapbooking Made Simple December warehouse sale. Actually been sitting on this package for a little while, so I figured I'd go ahead and do the video on it. But let's go ahead and check out what goodies I was able to find. Okay, the first thing I have here is a Hero Art stamp, and this is a Merry Christmas, and it does have some sentiments on there. Has Merry Christmas, have a very all of us from and to, and Happy New Year on the bottom. That, love that. So that's that. The next one is Technique Tuesday. This is another sentiment stamp. It does have grateful, love, and get well. So I was able to get my hands on this. And I really love this sale because you get good prices. And some of them are old, which like this one is yellow, but never been used and they still work. And this is another Technique Tuesday. There's another sentiments. And this one has its moments together that change forever. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Together is always better. So happy together. You will always be my forever. 100% we belong together. That is so cute. Now, what's funny is with the sale, sometimes I don't have time to read everything. I'll look at it and like some of the stuff on there, and I'll grab it. Oh, actually, you got 2 of these. So, see what I mean? So, I'm going to gift that to someone. Or I'll probably put it in for another giveaway. Okay, another one from Technique Tuesday is this sentiment stamps. Look at that. And I got it for the little cat, the little dog on there. Love it. I got that one. And then I hauled another one from Hero Stamps. And this was another sentiment which says, today is a good day. Wish. Dream big, gratitude, adventure. Love that. Now, if you look at the price, that's a regular price, $15.99. I probably paid between $2 to $3 for that. You can't beat that. So here goes another one from Hero Stamp, and it's a flower stamp, and it does have the little bee. That is so cute. Now, with her sale, each week is a different, they add a different vendor. So this week was, the week 5, I believe, had Hero Art stuff. And then I have another sentiment, and this one says, sending love, happy birthday, thank you, missing you, and I love the font. So I was able to get my hands on that one. And then I also have this one from Heroes Art, which is Sentiment Bundle and Die. I don't think this one came with a die. Oh, actually, yeah, it does. So it comes with a die. So that's actually pretty awesome. I got 2 for 1 with that. Real nice deal. And then I have another one, Sentiment. You know, I can't have that many sentiments. I love that. So this is more, yeah, this is random sentiments. So they got like Happy New Year, do not open, peace and love, etc. Real nice. Love it. Love, love, love. Okay, the next thing I have is this shimmer paper, and this is earth tones. It's 250 with 250 grams. You have 4 colors. You have 16 sheets total. I love glitter and I love some shimmer. Oh wow, look at that. We got the white cream color. You get the gold color. I don't know if it shows the shimmer on there. That is beautiful. Yeah, so that's like posted. It looks like green, but can't tell. Well, I don't know if this is the gold one. Oh. You got this one. And then you got the copper. Yeah, you got the copper. How nice is that? Wow, that's actually real pretty. I think they had some more other colors, but by the time I checked out, they were already sold out. So that's the only thing about the sale is it's kind of funny, but if you put it in a cart, doesn't guarantee that you'll get it. It's who's ever the first one to cash out. And sometimes they don't have a lot of each thing, so when you cash out is whoever cashes out first. So sometimes you gotta go in your cart and remove stuff, which has happened, but it's alright. Okay, the next thing I have is the Hero Arts glitter paste, and it's actually a pretty good size, 4-ounce container. So I got that. I also got my hands on some Hero Art wax, and this one is like a blue, that one. And then I got another Hero Art, and it's in like a winter green. That, I like that. Love, love, love. And then I also was able to get some shimmer gold. This is sheer. Look at that. Let me shake it up. Look at it. Look at that. I love adding little spritz of this on projects to get a little shine. So I also have it in silver. And then when you buy these, sometimes you have to shake it up to make sure you get all the mica powders, usually what they have in it. Look at that. Look at that shine. Love this. I love shine, just like glitter. And then another thing from Hero Art is acrylic spray, and it is opaque white. Look at that. And that's a 2-ounce. And then I did get some pearl from Hero Art, and this is in gold. So I got that one, got it in gold. And I got it into this green color. I want to say almost like a silver, like a gray, black, maybe black. Also got that one. Also got the silver. And then I have it in white. So this is like the pearl drops. But yeah, this is my little haul I got during the warehouse sale for Scrapbooking Made Simple. This was the last week of the sale, so I was able to get a few little things. They should be having one in, I want to say in the summer. They usually have one in summer and then one in December. So keep an eye out. I will put the link to scrapbooking.com. I mean, Scrapbooking Made Simple, because she does have a lot of deals every week. Monday she has bundles on Mondays at between $19 to $24, and then Wednesday she has another thing. Thursdays I believe she has. So she constantly have different types of sales and bundles and whatnot. So go ahead and check her out. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite. I'm actually impressed with the paper shimmer, but I love it all. Hit the notifications so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Bye.